Hi, my name is Noel del Pilar photographer, and today I will be doing with you an unboxing and preliminary review of the Godox SL100D LED light. The Godox SL100D is a continuous light that comes with a remote control that helps you control the light precisely and from a distance. Its operation is simple and practical, and with a color rendering index of 96 plus and a TLCI of 97 plus, provides a great color quality and allows photography and video to have a perfect color perception. And with that, you can distinguish the smallest differences in color tone or shade in your productions. This light is powerful, rated at 32,100 lux at 1 meter of distance using its reflector. Its amazing brightness, fixed at 5500 Kelvin color temperature, makes the image look more natural with color accurate to daylight. The interface is very intuitive, with 2 dials and 4 buttons, in a clear and simple operating system. The light compactness provides a flexibility needed to use in a small studios or small filming environments, such as a room in your home. It only weighs a little bit over 3.5 pounds. It has a built-in umbrella mount and, most importantly to me, balance mount, for compatibility with a wide variety of softbox light modifiers. It can be controlled in 3 ways, from the unit itself, with the Godox Light app, or with the Godox remote control that is included. With just one light, Godox SL100D light, and the appropriate modifier, you can easily make an efficient and professional studio, which will be enough to satisfy the needs of personal content creation or even commercial filming. This LED light retails for a reasonable $155, which I think is a great option for the price. You can buy it on Amazon by going to the link that I wrote in the description of this video. In comparison with my current 60 watts Godox LEDs, this Godox SL100D, the build quality is better, it is more powerful with its 100 watts, and above all, the color is much more accurate. And there you have it, the Godox SL100D. If you like this video, please give it a like, share with others, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. And don't forget to turn on notifications. See ya next time.